In this video, I'll show you how to print Excel sheet on one A4 page. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open your Microsoft Excel application or the Google Sheets if you have that. And since I only have Google Sheets, I'll simply explain this to you using Google Sheets. So I'll simply select from this available templates from the templates gallery to make it easier for me to proceed with the printing. So once I have fetched that specific template, I can go ahead and proceed with the printing. So simply hit on that file button at the top left of your screen, and under that you'll be able to find this print button. Click on that print button to be able to change the orientation or the page setup of your file. So set this to A4 and then you can go ahead and proceed on printing this sheet on one A4 page. And that's basically how you can print Excel sheet on one A4 page. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.